Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add your Blogger blog to Google AdSense. This is essential if you want to start monetizing your blog and earning revenue from your content. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and navigate to adsense.google.com. Once you're on the page, log into your AdSense account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the Google account that you want to connect with your blog for earning purposes. After logging in, you'll land on the AdSense dashboard. Look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation menu. From there, click on Sites. This section is where you manage all the websites connected to your AdSense account, and it's where we'll be adding your Blogger blog. Once you're in the Sites section, you'll see an option to add a new site. Go ahead and click on New Site. This will open up a dialog box where you can input the details of the website you want to monetize. Now paste the URL of your Blogger website into the field provided. Make sure the URL is correct and complete, then click Save. This registers your blog with AdSense and prepares it for the review process. After saving, you'll see a prompt to proceed. Click Next to continue. This will bring you to the next stage where you'll formally request AdSense to review your blog. Go ahead and click Request Review. This step submits your blog for evaluation by the AdSense team to ensure it meets their policies and guidelines. Now comes the waiting part. The review process can take anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks, depending on various factors. During this time, AdSense will assess your blog's content, design, and compliance with their program policies. Be patient and keep an eye on your email for any updates or notifications from AdSense. Once your blog is approved, you'll receive a notification. Congratulations, you're now ready to start displaying ads and earning revenue. But there's one more step to activate the ads on your Blogger site. Head back to Blogger and navigate to the Earnings section. This is where you control the monetization settings for your blog. In this section, you'll see an option labeled Show Ads on Blog. Toggle this option to enable it. By doing this, you're giving Blogger permission to automatically place AdSense ads on your blog. Finally, make sure to save your settings. This ensures that all your changes are applied and your ads will start appearing on your blog. And that's it. Blogger will now automatically place ads for you, and you can start earning from your content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.